So you might be trying to make your Instagram account private, but you're getting this error saying business account can't be private. And so today I'll be showing you how to go around this problem and fix this little issue you might have. So just tap OK, and then you want to go back all the way to your home page. All right. Now, the reason you're seeing this is because you have a business page, not just public, but business. Okay. So what you want to do first is go to your profile and then tap on the 3-line button in the top right corner, and that should open settings and activity. Under that, you want to scroll to this for professionals section and tap on business tools and controls. Tap on that. And then here, if you scroll, you will see switch account type. Tap on that and then tap on switch to personal account. So you can confirm you want to switch to personal account, and that's going to switch your account from a business account to a personal Instagram account. Okay, so just give it a moment. There you go. So we've now switched to personal account. And now if you go to the account privacy section and try to make it private, you should be able to do that. So let's tap on private account. It's going to give us information about private account. Tap on switch to private, and that's going to turn our Instagram account private. Okay, so do you want to review your followers? I'm just going to cancel for now, but that is basically how to make your account private by bypassing that issue that says business account cannot be private. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.